Here's the uncomfortable truth about enterprise AI. Building the technology? That's the easy part. Getting people to actually trust it and believe in the outputs? That's where most projects die. Trust and belief, that's the real work. Most AI projects don't fail because the models can't answer. They fail because people don't believe the answer. Trust is built in layers. First, the technology has to work, then you need champions who advocate for it, then it becomes part of the culture. Built by teams who've lived through this transformation, not just read about it. Why does AI get side-eyed at work? Hidden logic feels like guessing. Messy data means garbage in, garbage out. No override button means if it's wrong, you're stuck. One surprise, just one unexpected failure, is all it takes for adoption to die quietly. So build safe AI before you build smart AI. Show confidence scores and what's uncertain. Provide explainability. What data and logic drove this output? Flag for human review when confidence drops. Use deterministic analytics and machine learning for number crunching where you need reliability, not generative AI for storytelling. Trust isn't announced in a launch email. It's earned. Start with the dirty manual work everyone hates. Prove value fast, low risk, high relief. Then expand, but only when users genuinely feel in control. The sequence matters: efficiency first, then efficacy, then growth. Here's how we did it. Phase 1. Trust starts here, scanning PDFs into structured data with OCR, confidence scoring, and a clear manual intervention lane. Phase 2. Make it usable with standardized templates and analytical-ready datasets. Phase 3. Now you can trust analytics, 60% faster decisions, proven at scale across 400 to 500 cities, rollout time cut by 80%. The hard part isn't the code. It's changing how people work. Don't roll out AI, roll out new habits. Define what's automated, what's reviewed, what's escalated. Train champions first, then the wider organization. Set up governance early, not after the first incident. Governance first delivery, 85% adoption, operational in 4 months. Why does trust demand more than great tech? You need AI advisory and strategy, alignment, centers of excellence, governance, data intelligence, clean, governed data that's actually usable. Custom AI solutions with guardrails and human oversight. And analytics that's deterministic where it matters, not probabilistic everywhere. Here are the practical trust signals users actually notice. Confidence shown, not hidden. Here's why, plus here's the source. Clear handoffs to humans for edge cases. Audit trails for every decision. Rollback plans that actually work. Measured outcomes tied to the work. If you're planning AI adoption, ask, where's the human override? What happens when confidence is low? Who owns the rollout? Want the strategy framework one-pager and the AI readiness checklist? Comment framework and we'll send both. Follow SynaptyX to stay ahead of the AI revolution. We're advisor-led and people-centered. Strategy, change management, and AI centers of excellence that actually last.